on, Bunky. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Good girls. Good girls. Come on. Look at Bunky. Run it. Come on, Bunky. Come on. It's okay. Good girl. I have that red hat, Stephanie. Where'd you leave that? Come on. What is it, Zoe? What is it? Look at all the snow. Look at all the snow. Oh, oh.
She loves it.
Come on. Go, Zoe. Come on. Come on. Whoa. This way. This way.
This way.
Come on, puppies. I got a girl. I got a girl.
Good job, Bunky. She's so happy. So funny. She's like, hop, hop. Good job.
You hear her snort like a pig.
Yeah.
Oh, good girls. What's going on? There's a lot of snow, huh? Good outside.
Good job, Bunky.
Come on. Get that daddy. Get that daddy.
Good job. She is like in heaven, honey.
I told you Zoe's master of the little. Look at her gallop. She looks like a bucking bronco.
Get the Bunky.
Okay.
Come here, Bunky. Come here. What a good girl.
Hi, Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Where are you going? Oh. Is there a lot of snow?
Stinky. Downwind.
Where are you going, Bella? Where are you going?
Bunky.
Oh.
Be careful.
She's lit a little, I think. Oh. You're so strong, Punky.
Good job. Good job.
They run all over. Where are you going, Craig?
Go get him, Bunky. Go get him.
Craig. They don't need a path. I don't want them down there.
Go get him, Bunky. Get him. Not that way.
Uh-oh. Don't go that way.
You're silly.
But she listens.
Uh-huh.
Look at her. She's gonna be so wet.
Oh. Yeah, I know. I have to put them straight in the bathtub. The snow just sticks to them.
That's a good idea.
Oh. That's a good girl. She's a good cookie.
Well,
You hear the dog? That's Munchkin. Good girl.
You're gonna get freezing.
I'm gonna start something. Yeah, put my clothes back on. You gotta pack it tight because it's dry.
Where's my Zoe? Where's my Zoe?
Where's Bella?
There she is. Oh,
Come on, Zoe.
you coming back from the track?
Come on.
Good girl.
Come on.
Oh, poor baby. Are you okay? You need a breather? Yeah, don't overexert yourself. This is hard
Where's
work.
Bella?
You see Bella? You okay, Zozo? You okay?
Look at how it sits on her fur, honey.
I know
It's not even touching
it's
her.
rough.
Aw.
That's making her warm.
You okay? Good girl. Good girl. Come on.
Is Bella stuck?
No. That's where she goes to poop.
There goes Cloud. She's sick.
Come on, Zoe.
Wants you to run with her. Get him, Punky. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get the girl. Go. Good job.
Hi, Zoe. Good girl.
Good job.
Good girl.
Do you like snow? Yeah? You like that snow, huh?
There's my Bella girl.
Go get him, huh?
Hey. Good girl. Oh.
She went and attacked
Hey.
Hello.
I got it.
Little puppy.
Oh. I think Zoe's stuck. Do you need help getting in the house, Zoe? Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl.
How often do you get to do this, Craig?
Good girl. Good girl, Zoe. That's right. There's a good girl. Come on, Bella. Come on, pretty girl. There's a good puppy. What do you think, girls? Is that enough, huh? Is that enough snow? What are you doing, Bella? Let's see your head. Where's Bella going? You going to get that daddy? Poor Zozo. Hi, Monkey. Alright, everybody ready to go in? Is that fun? Is that fun? Come on, Bella. Let's go in the house.
Trust that you wouldn't get nuts and fall off the edge.
Yeah.
But she would. She does it on her bed. Look at the ferret pen.
The what? Oh, no. They have a Pomeranian.
They put their palm in there?
There's a baby. A puppy.
Oh.
Huh? I hope there's poop right there. It's so gross.
Hopefully not.
Look at Bella. She's like, what are
Hopefully
you...
there's enough snow between it.
What are you doing, Daddy? Well, she pooped in the snow this morning, so...
I think you're safe, Craig. Yeah. You scared me. He's like, I better get out of there.
No! You...
You son of a bitch!
I got that on video.
Yeah, honey, don't talk on video.
Oh, I can edit that out later.
Come on, let's go inside. We gotta get the dogs in the tub.
Yeah, let's go inside. We gotta get the dogs in the tub.
Yeah?
Oh no, collateral damage!
That wasn't nice.
I was going for Leslie.
What? You look like
I thought maybe I could
Frankenstein.
get both of you at the same time.
Look, he's got like
You got white
snow
hair,
on
you
either
got
side of
white
his
hair on
head.
your,
You look like your sideburns are white, Craig.
Hey.
Stop it.
He's like, how do you know they're not?
You look like from, whatchamacallit, Fantastic
Yeah.
Four. You look like...
Reed Richards?
Totally. Wait until you see this.
Yeah.
Shake it.
Funky's a good girl.
Shake it off,
Shake it
Bucky.
up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake. No. Funky cat.
Come on, Bella.
Oh.
Come on, Bella. Let's go in the house.
Funky, you ready to go in the house? Look at her face!
I know, they all are. Look at Bella. Look at Bella.
Oh.
Joey.
Look at those eyebrows.
Bella, come on, let's go in the house, puppy.